Welcome to the 2024 Recreational Boating and Fishing Foundation State Marketing Workshop. This week, great minds gather together to talk about innovative ideas to increase participation in fishing and in boating. Welcome. Our 2024 State Marketing Workshop is underway. We started our day with yoga. Attendees learned more about reaching diverse audiences from a trailblazing, award-winning top entrepreneur, Shama Hyder. We also covered artificial intelligence and how states can connect with women and Hispanic audiences and bring them to fishing and boating. On deck for tomorrow, our state agency representatives will engage in one of the biggest benefits of this workshop, collaboration. State marketers can discuss how they engage with anglers and boaters. They will continue to share successes, challenges, and build a stronger community with a shared mission. We will also consider the psychology of churn, core considerations in recruiting, reactivating, and retaining anglers and boaters. We will end the day with a session on using text messaging and how to reel in diverse audiences.